So here we have the kitchen, and it's got a nice vaulted ceiling on there, center island. They have an eat-in table, as you can see. Goes out to the backyard where the pool is. We'll go out there in a little bit. What I like about this this kitchen is it's a great room concept. So you have your family room, living room, right here. And then you can walk out this way. And then there's the front entry. Hardwood floors. Vaulted ceiling again. This is the dining room. Formal dining room, playroom at this house. It's currently being used as a playroom for children. Front entry. This is the fourth bedroom. Den, study, office. Closet over there. This is currently being used as a playroom. And that's it for this video. We'll have another one coming shortly.